Hello dear students, today we will go to learn circle, center, radius, diameter and chord throughout the activity. So let's start. Take a small steel bowl or a plate, place it upside down on the piece of paper and trace its outline. In this way, we have to trace outline a little bit darker. Remove the bowl. The figure you get on the piece of paper is a circle. Now, cut the shape you have drawn on the paper. We have cut the carefully. Draw 2 or 3 circles like this one and cut out the circular paper shapes. Take one of these shapes and fold it as I am showing you. Now, with the help of pencil and scale, you have to trace the line where you fold in this way. This line is called chord of the circle. Now, fold another circular shape to divide into 2 halves. In this way, we have to fold. Then, take a pencil and scale, draw the line where you fold the circle. In this way, you have to draw the lines. Now, this line is called a diameter of the circle. Now, fold the shapes again so that we get a quarter of the shape. First of all, in this way, then in this way. See, we have got the quarter shape of the circle. Unfold the paper shape. Now, you see the circular shapes again. Trace the line of the folds. You have to draw the lines with the help of scale and the pencil. And the second one. Now see the point at which these lines are meet to each other. This line, this. In this point, they meet with each other, and this is called center of the circle. This is center of the circle. Students, now we are going to learn how to draw a circle. First of all, take a compass. Then put the pencil in it. Then adjust the both tip of the pencil as well as the tip of the compass in a same level. Then take a suitable distance between the compass tip and the pencil. Then put the steel tip on the paper. Then turn around the pencil it. In this way, don't put the tip of the compass steel tip. In this way you have to draw a circle. Okay, now this is the point. This is the point. We will give to it name M. Then take a scale from the center. It is M. It is the center of the circle M. You have to draw from center to outer side of the circle. This is called radius.